Have you ever thought about making money online? If the answer is yes, then you have come to the right place. Welcome to the realm of online earning, where the only limit is your imagination. This space provides a sense of flexibility and freedom that traditional jobs often can't match. You can work from the comfort of your home, a beach halfway across the world, or anywhere in between. We're about to explore a variety of methods that can help you earn money online. From freelancing your skills and taking online surveys to creating content or even managing social media accounts for businesses. Each method has its unique advantages and potential to generate income. Remember, while these avenues can open doors to new financial opportunities, they also require dedication, effort, and a willingness to learn and adapt. So, are you ready to discover multiple ways to make money online? Let's dive in. First and foremost, consider freelancing. It's a fantastic way to monetize your skills and work from anywhere. Freelancing platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer offer a marketplace where you can showcase your abilities. Are you a wizard with words, a graphic design guru, a programming prodigy, or a virtual assistance virtuoso? There's a place for you in the world of freelancing. But remember, it's not just about listing your skills, it's about demonstrating what you can do. That's where a strong portfolio comes into play. Your portfolio is your personal showcase, your visual CV, your chance to impress potential clients with your past work. It's your opportunity to illustrate your abilities, to prove your worth, and ultimately, to attract those high-paying clients you deserve. So, dive into freelancing, build a robust portfolio, and start making money from your skills. Remember, your portfolio is your ticket to attracting high-paying clients. Next up, online surveys and reviews. It's as simple as sharing your opinion and getting paid for it. Now let's dive into the world of online surveys. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research offer you the opportunity to earn money by simply taking surveys. Yes, you heard that right. Your opinion matters and it's worth something. And that's not all. We also have platforms that pay for product reviews. Amazon's Vine program, for instance, is a perfect example. It's a win-win situation. You get to try out new products and share your thoughts, and in return, you get paid or get to keep the product. So what are you waiting for? Start signing up for these platforms and let your voice be heard. Remember, your opinion can shape the market. While this method might not make you a millionaire, it's an easy way to earn some extra cash. Are you passionate about a particular topic? Then content creation might be your path to online earning. Whether it's cooking, travel, fashion, or tech, there's an audience out there waiting for your unique perspective. Start by building your own YouTube channel. It's a platform where you can share videos about your passions. Once you've built a following, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Remember, the key is to create content that resonates with your audience and keeps them coming back for more. Alternatively, you can start a blog. Platforms like WordPress or Blogger can help you set up in no time. Here, you can share your thoughts, ideas, or experiences in written form. Just like a YouTube channel, blogs can also be monetized through ads, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. Content creation allows you to make money while sharing what you love. If selling is your forte, then affiliate marketing is the way to go. It's a powerful tool that allows you to earn by promoting products or services you believe in. The concept is simple yet effective. You join an affiliate program, receive a unique link to share, and earn a commission each time a sale is made through your link. But where do you promote these products? Well, the world is your stage. You can use your blog, social media platforms, email newsletters, or even YouTube channel. The key is to integrate these products naturally into content that your audience finds valuable. Remember to promote products relevant to your niche. If you're a tech blogger, for instance, recommending the latest gadgets would make sense. Trustworthiness is paramount in affiliate marketing. Your audience needs to believe in the products you endorse. With affiliate marketing, you can earn a commission without having to create a product yourself. It's a win-win situation where you monetize your influence while providing value to your followers. In this digital age, remote work is more prevalent than ever before. And it's not just about being able to work in your pajamas, it's about having the flexibility to set your own hours and work from anywhere you please. So where do you find these magical remote work opportunities? A good starting point would be websites like Remote OK, We Work Remotely, or Indeed. These platforms list a variety of remote job opportunities across different fields. Whether you're a writer, a programmer, a designer, or a project manager, there's something out there for you. Alternatively, if you possess expertise in a specific subject or skill, online tutoring can be a rewarding option. Platforms like Chegg Tutors or Tutor.com connect knowledgeable individuals with eager learners. Imagine sharing your passion and knowledge with others while earning a steady income. Remote work provides the comfort of working from home and the flexibility of setting your own hours. So why not give it a shot? For those with a creative flair, selling photos and artwork online can be a lucrative avenue. Let's delve into the world of stock photography first. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or iStock welcome high-quality photos from photographers of all levels. Each time someone downloads your photo, you earn a royalty. It's a wonderful way to monetize your passion for photography. Now, if you're more inclined towards digital artwork or designs, platforms like Etsy or Redbubble might be your best bet. These online marketplaces allow artists to sell their creations to a global audience. From digital prints to unique designs for merchandise, the possibilities are endless. Remember, the key to success in these platforms is originality and quality. The better your work, the more likely it is to sell. So whether you're a budding photographer or an experienced digital artist, these platforms provide an opportunity to turn your creativity into cash. Your creativity can indeed pay off in the online world. If you're organized and good at multitasking, consider becoming a virtual assistant. In the digital age we live in, the role of a virtual assistant has gained significant traction. But what does a virtual assistant do, you may ask? Well, virtual assistants are remote workers who provide administrative services to clients while operating outside of the client's office. This can include tasks like scheduling appointments, making phone calls, making travel arrangements, and managing email accounts, to name a few. There are several platforms where you can kickstart your journey as a virtual assistant. TaskRabbit and GigWalk are two such task-based platforms where you can offer your services. These platforms serve as a bridge between you and potential clients who are looking for virtual assistants. Keep in mind, the services you offer can be as diverse as your skills. Are you a whiz at data management? Or perhaps have a knack for customer service? Maybe you're a pro at managing social media? As a virtual assistant, you can offer a variety of services depending on your skills. Sharing knowledge is a noble deed, and it can also be a profitable one. The ninth way to earn online is by creating and selling online courses. If you possess expertise or skills in a particular field, why not share them with the world and earn in the process? Platforms such as Udemy or Teachable serve as perfect platforms for this purpose. They allow you to structure, host, and sell your courses to students worldwide. Whether you're an expert in coding, a pro at digital marketing, a master of languages, or even a yoga guru, there's a platform and an audience for you. You can create comprehensive, engaging courses and set your price. These platforms handle the marketing, payment processing, and customer service, allowing you to focus solely on creating engaging educational content. Remember, the better your courses, the more likely students are to recommend them to others. Teaching online courses allows you to earn money while helping others learn. With businesses increasingly moving online, social media management has become a highly sought-after service. Let's delve into how you can tap into this demand. As a social media manager, your job is to manage and grow a brand's presence across different social platforms. This role involves creating engaging content, scheduling posts, responding to comments, and analyzing the success of your strategies. To start, you'll want to hone your skills in social media strategy, content creation, and analytics. There are plenty of online courses and resources available to help you get up to speed. Once you've got a solid foundation, it's time to start looking for clients. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or LinkedIn can be great places to start. You can also reach out directly to businesses you're interested in working with. Remember, building a successful social media management business takes time, patience, and lots of practice. But with determination and the right skills, you can help businesses grow while earning a good income. Now that you know the various ways to make money online, here are some tips to ensure your success. Consistency is the heart of success in the online marketplace. Whether you're applying for jobs, creating content, or marketing your services, keep at it regularly. Next, focus on building your skills. The digital world is always evolving, and so should your abilities. The more you learn and grow, the more in demand your skills become, enhancing your online earning potential. And let's not forget networking. Make connections, join online communities, and engage with others in your field. These relationships can lead to new opportunities and provide valuable insights. And always remember, while making money online doesn't usually require a financial investment, it does demand your time, effort, and dedication. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with consistency, skill building, networking, and a little patience, you're well on your way to success.